Hi everybody, today I am going to be sharing tips or quick guide on how to take care of your 3-pan set of Henckels pans to make them last years to come. So I'm going to open them real quick to give you a look on how these look and the sizes perhaps and the texture of them. So this would be, it looks like the smallest, one of the smallest ones. The medium actually, and let me just feel the texture. So it does feel like the croc sandals, like a little bit of bumps in it, but it is ceramic, stainless steel. So take that into account. And then for the smallest one, as you can see, it's bigger than my hand, so it's a good size for the small ones. And I will give you a quick guide on how to take care of them. And the big one, as you can see, is twice the size of my hand. And again, they all have the same texture inside. And they all have, like I said, they're 3 sizes, okay? Now, I'll mention real quick how to take care of them as soon as you open them and take them all out of the box. So before using your pans, you want to make sure before using them the first time, you want to wash them with warm water, mild dish soap, then dry them completely. And since they are non-stick, you want to make sure you rub oil on the surface before using them, okay? Some cooking tips for this type of pans would be to always cook on medium heat. High heat can damage these pans, and make sure you use a small amount of oil or butter. You cannot heat this without having some oil in it, okay? You cannot heat it up if they're empty. This will damage them as well. For utensils, what do you want to use? Please stick with something that doesn't scratch them. That would be wood, silicone, or nylon. Try to avoid at all costs something that is made out of metal. And for cleaning, after using it the first time, make sure you don't put it into the opposite temperature. Let the pan cool before washing. You don't want to put cool water when it's still hot, okay? And use warm soapy water and the soft sponge. Avoid wool or harsh scrubbers. What not to do. When you are cooking, try to avoid the spray or the sprayers, because they will leave residue on your pan. And avoid any temperature changes that are very abrupt, like putting the hot pan under cold water, like I mentioned. That's a very important step to know. Now for storage, you want to stack them and make sure that you have a protector layer between them. That could be a towel or just paper tissue from your kitchen. With proper care, these Henckels pans can last you many years. If this helped you, make sure to come back and watch more videos from my channel. Until next time.